Did you know that over 50% of people make New Year's resolutions, but only a fraction stick to them? Resolutions are a powerful way to start fresh, but the key lies in doing it the right way. Let's explore how to set and achieve your goals for 2024. The first step to achieving your resolutions is setting specific, realistic goals. Vague resolutions like "be healthier" often fail because they lack clarity. Instead, focus on measurable actions like exercise 3 times a week. Break down your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to learn a new language, start by committing to 15 minutes of practice daily. Did you know that writing down your goals increases your chances of achieving them? It's not just about remembering them, it's about making a commitment to yourself. Accountability is a game changer. Share your goals with a friend or join a community where you can motivate each other to stay on track. Sometimes, people set too many resolutions and feel overwhelmed. Focus on 1 to 3 key goals to give them the attention they deserve. At this point, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Your support keeps us going. Track your progress regularly. Whether it's weekly check-ins or monthly reviews, tracking helps you stay aligned with your resolutions. Did you know that rewarding yourself can boost your motivation? Celebrate small wins to stay excited about your journey. Be prepared for setbacks. Life happens, but it's how you bounce back that matters. Adjust your approach and keep going. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture yourself achieving your goals. It helps create a mental roadmap for success. If you want lasting change, focus on building habits, not just ticking off goals. Resolutions backed by habits are more likely to stick. Surround yourself with positivity. The people, environments, and content you engage with can influence your motivation. Did you know that tracking your why can make a huge difference? Understanding why you want to achieve a goal gives you the strength to keep going. Avoid procrastination. Start with one small step today, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Momentum builds motivation. Use technology to your advantage. Apps, reminders, and trackers can simplify your resolution journey. If your goal feels too big, break it down further. For instance, write a book becomes write 200 words daily. Consistency is the key to success. Remember, small daily actions lead to big results over time. Did you know that sharing your progress can inspire others? Your journey could motivate someone else to achieve their dreams. Avoid comparing your progress to others. Everyone's journey is unique, and comparisons can derail your focus. Stay adaptable. If one approach doesn't work, don't be afraid to pivot. Flexibility is essential for long-term success. At this stage, remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's achieve great things together in 2024. Create a vision board to keep your goals front and center. Seeing your aspirations daily can fuel your motivation. Did you know that gratitude can improve your chances of success? Appreciating what you have fosters a positive mindset. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step closer to your goals. Limit distractions that hinder your progress. Identify time wasters and replace them with productive habits. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals are more likely to succeed. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals are more likely to succeed. If your resolution is skill-based, invest in learning resources. Courses, books, or mentors can fast-track your progress. Reflect on past resolutions, what worked and what didn't. Learn from your experiences to refine your approach. Did you know that creating a routine makes it easier to stick to resolutions? Routines turn intentions into habits. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth and celebrate your wins. At this point, let me remind you, if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe for more motivational content like this. Make your goals visible. Post them on your wall, fridge, or phone wallpaper to keep them in sight. Did you know that small tweaks to your environment can influence your behavior? Set yourself up for success. Focus on one day at a time. Long-term goals can feel daunting, but daily actions are manageable. Practice self-compassion. If you miss a day or face setbacks, don't be too hard on yourself. Persistence is what matters. Identify your triggers. Understanding what derails your progress helps you create strategies to overcome them. Commit to lifelong learning. Resolutions are just the beginning. Cultivate a mindset of continuous growth. Did you know that gratitude journaling can keep you motivated? Reflecting on your progress builds positivity. Stay inspired. Read success stories, watch motivational videos, or listen to uplifting podcasts. Create an accountability system. Weekly check-ins with a buddy can keep you on track and motivated. Reflect on your why regularly. Remind yourself of the deeper purpose behind your resolutions. Avoid overthinking. Sometimes the best way to start is simply to take the first step. If you're setting financial goals, automate your savings to make progress effortless. At this point, if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Celebrate your journey. The process of working toward resolutions is as important as achieving them. Did you know that resilience is built through challenges? Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger. Practice mindfulness to stay present and focused. Stress and distractions can derail your progress. Incorporate fun into your goals. Enjoying the process increases your likelihood of sticking to it. Surround yourself with reminders of your capabilities. Affirmations and positive messages build confidence. Remember, your goals are a reflection of your dreams. Treat them with the care and attention they deserve. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's make 2024 your best year yet.
I'm from Norman City. When I tell